Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about active listening. In this pandemic situation, we unable to meet the customer face to face and we fail to get orders. The one key skill is very important, especially in this pandemic situation for a salesperson is active listening. You all wonder what is active listening. We all know listening, but what it is active listening. I am going to tell first what is passive and active. There are two types of listening, active and passive. So first we look upon passive listening. What is passive listening? It's something like the salesperson is very much interested in talking. He's not interested in listening. And even if customer is talking to explain something, he just waiting for customer when he completes his talk so that he can talk. They are interested in talking about the products, features, advantages, etc. But they're not interested in listening. And also they're not want customer to tell his problems. They want to tell their products, their features, and also they do not have this emotional bond connection. See, when you are listening to customer, when you are trying to listen his concerns, problems, then he will definitely have this emotional bond with you and he will try to be more open up. But when you just want to talk, then he will not have interest, he will just close the conversation. And it is something like you are asking closed ended questions, not a open ended questions. Okay, sir, I hope you are happy with the product. This is closed ended questions or a statement. Like, what is it you are looking for, which we can help you to solve the problem? These are all open ended questions. So, passive listening, that person is just kind of asking or closed ended questions. Now we will see the active listening. Active listening, they are always paying attention to customer. They are not interested in talking. They are interested in asking right questions as well as interested in listening. And see, especially when you are on phone with customer, it is what kind of bondage you're going to create, because he's not going to meet you personally. It is only through hearing. He should get the trust in you, he should rely on you, in your product, in your service. So you imagine how important this listening skill is. So number one, paying attention. You should pay attention, and customers should feel the way you are listening, the way you are asking questions. He should feel that you are really concerned about his problems and you are really want to support him, want to service him, solve his problem. And this kind of active listening will create an emotional bond. Customer will be more open, more transparent, and you should show to customer that you are genuinely listening. How you show to customer? You're not meeting him personally, so over phone, what, how you show? You just say, huh, okay, I see, okay, I will see how I can help you, how I can support you. I will take whatever it takes to support you. This kind of okay, this kind of little acknowledgement you should give in between whenever customer talks, so he feels that you are really serious in in listening with his talk. And one tip which I follow is, um, I just remember the next question what I'm going to ask before customer completes his the last speech, so that it is kind of an interactive session. You are interacting with customer, so that the conversation is not short closed. So how you make more interactive, make the session long, and make the effort to understand more and more his problem, concerns, expectations. This tip will help. Like before he closed the previous talk, you have to keep in mind the next question. You should listen as well as prepare the next question. So these are all the kind of active listening. What benefits you get by active listening? One is customer will be more transparent with you, more open with you to tell his problems, and he should trust you. He will rely on you, and it creates a kind of a emotional bond between you and customer. So I feel these are all the benefits what you get by active listening. So I hope this session will help you. If you want me to cover more topics or if you have any specific doubts regarding sales, you can put in comment box. Thank you so much.